The fire department is on scene and they're responding. But the preliminary information is that there was a helicopter that made a forced landing, emergency landing, or landed on the roof of the building for one reason or another. There was a fire that happened when the helicopter hit the roof. People who were in the building said they felt the building shake. The fire department believes the fire is under control. There may have been casualties involved and people in the helicopter.
Do we know at this point how many were on that helicopter?
We do not know. But right now, we believe the fire is under control. Again, casualties involved with the helicopter. We don't know what caused the helicopter to land on the top of the building. But people in the building itself, nobody has been hurt. Some people have been evacuated. This is all very preliminary, and the fire department is just in the midst of responding right now as we speak.
Governor, I wonder what goes through your mind when you hear some kind of a aircraft into a building.
They're not defining it as either a hard landing or an emergency landing. Just that the helicopter landed on, to use a word, on the rooftop of the building, which caused the fire. So obviously, I don't know, but obviously it created a fire, so it was not a routine landing.
When you hear an aircraft hit a building in Midtown Manhattan, what went through your mind? What do you presume went through the minds of people in New York?
Well, look, this is, if you're a New Yorker, you have a level of PTSD, right, from 9/11. And I remember that morning all too well. So as soon as you hear an aircraft hit a building, I think my mind goes where every New Yorker's mind goes.
But at this point, there's no indication that
there's... At this point, there's no indication that is the case. The only indication was a helicopter had to do an emergency or a hard landing or crashed onto the rooftop of the building, causing a fire. But there's no indication of anything more than that. Again, this is all very preliminary, and these situations evolve very quickly, as we know. But that's all we know.